Costing in industrial operations. Process costing. Process costing is defined as that form of operational costing which is valid in the context of places where standardized goods are produced. Examples might be metallurgical industries like copper, iron and steel, where the materials pass through two or more processes before being converted to the final or finished product. In this context, it makes sense to take a look at what are co-products. That would mean two or more contemporaries but do not form the same material in the same process. Examples are wheat and grain produced in different farms, boards made from wood in many different areas, etc. But how do one term profits make out of endeavors from a likely venture? Is that all explained under interprocess profit if the endeavor is profit making? Well, in essentials, in some process industries, output of one process is transferred to the next process, which is calculated not at cost but at market value or cost plus a certain percentage in profit. The difference is in fact what is termed as interprocess profit. Transfer pricing is also a pricing related to a good or other benefit transferred from one process to the other, where the extent to which cost and profits are covered is a matter of policy or policy changes. And that is process costing. Next we cover contract costing. Contract costing is a method of ascertaining cost of a contract whenever the job is big and spreads across long periods of time, typically more than 6 months to a few years. When we deal with contract costing, a separate account is generally kept for each individual contract. This is more widely used in the construction industry and while charting out civil engineering contracts. Work in progress means contracts which are not yet been completed and includes the value of work certified and cost of work uncertified. Now, what is work certified and work uncertified? Work certified means the work done is approved, whereas work completed but not yet approved is work uncertified. The amount of work in progress is credited to contract account at the end of the year, where it is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Subcontract work, which is small work done by other contractors, is debited to the contract account. Cost plus contract is a type of contract in which value of contract is ascertained by percentage of profit over which the total cost of work lies. Now let us take a look at what is retention money. Retention money is the small percentage of amount in the contract which remains unpaid until the entire work contracted out is completed by the contractor. Now, while issuing plants and machinery in a contract account, the plant issued to a contract is debited with the value of the plant and will be credited at the end of accounting period with the depreciated value of the plant. In case of incomplete contracts, the profits shown in contract account is not entirely transferred to costing profit and loss account because most of the profit remains as unrealizable profit. Normally, if the work certified is less than 25% of contract price, no profits should be taken. If it is more than 50%, 2/3 of notional profit as reduced to the percentage of cash received to work certified can be credited to costing profit and loss account, and the balance will be kept in work in progress reserve. So this completes costing in industrial operations. Thank you.